So I'm here on the farm and I'm about to go hop on the tractor. It's a little chilly today. Not really temperature wise, but the wind chill factor is in effect. So, those ears. Oh my goodness gracious. This beautiful, sweet little thing. And there's some other ones over there. Those are probably the males, and these are probably the females. That's why they're not together, but yeah. To look at these adorable little creatures. Can you get your nose again? Oh, do you like that? Look at those ears go down. Oh, you sweet little thing. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Brasher, you like the cows? Do you like those cows? Huh? Oh my goodness. This is the tractor. And she's a beauty. Favorite ride. And here we go. So I'm here on the farm and I'm getting my piles set up. So take a look down here. We've got, looks like here's an apple and a little pumpkin. And you've got like your standard banana peels, and then you'll see we've got some wood chips. So what I use is a combination of wood chips and finished compost. Hi. And this is our random farm buddy. He always comes to hang out with us when we're down here. And what I do is I use the tractor to create these long windrows. And these windrows sit for anywhere from 1 month to 6 months, depending on the time of year and the amount of water. And also depending on the kind of material that is available to me. So what I end up doing with all of this is letting it sit, checking the temperatures week after week. The inside of the compost pile will actually heat way up to like 120 degrees. So deep inside these piles is this warm, delicious home for lots of bacteria to live out their lives and digest away at all of the delicious nutrients that are available to them. And then what we're left with is this incredible medium for growth. Something that is so incredibly nutrient dense that, it's sought after. So I'm coming over here, and so something that makes me really happy is when I get little guys growing. Let me see if I can zoom in, if I can see my finger. You see this guy? Little guy is growing. So there's seeds, obviously, inside a lot of this food, and it's growing out of the compost. So what this does is this is what you would want to put in your garden bed. And I got all of these. Look at this guy. So that's a corn husk, and the corn may have a seed in it, or it might be a seed from a different plant, and that is sprouting out of what we continuously throw in the garbage. They're a mess. So I want to show you some of this finished compost. So what we're looking at is right here. You can see we've got a bit of eggshells going on. That's what those white pieces are. So all of this is compost. So we've got like, these are larger pieces. This might even be like a compostable plate. So what I'm holding is some soil. And so it's the smell of the forest floor, you know, like, or like how it kind of smells when there's a fresh rain. You get this really amazing fresh outdoor smell, and it looks like some of this just needs to be broken down a little bit more. So corn is like one of the hardest things to break down, along with avocados. And people really like their corn and avocados, so we get a lot of them. I have worms! Yes! This is amazing!
Perfect.